Xpeng CEO says Tesla has developed near Level 4 performance. Xpeng CEO He Xiaopeng has offered fresh praise for Tesla's full self-driving FSD system after revisiting Silicon Valley more than a year after his first hands-on experience. Following extended test drives of Tesla vehicles running the latest FSD software, he stated that the system has made major strides, reinforcing his view that Tesla's approach to autonomy is indeed the proper path towards autonomy. Tesla FSD closing in on Level 4 driving. During his visit, he test drove a Tesla equipped with FSD v14.2. He also rode in a Tesla robotaxi over roughly 5 hours of driving across Silicon Valley and San Francisco. He said both vehicles delivered consistent and reassuring performance, a notable improvement from his experience a year earlier. According to He, Tesla's FSD has evolved from a smooth Level 2 advanced driver assistance system into what he described as a near Level 4 experience in terms of capabilities. While acknowledging that imperfections remain, the Xpeng CEO said FSD's current iteration significantly surpasses last year's capabilities. He also reiterated his belief that Tesla's strategy of using the same autonomous software and hardware architecture across private vehicles and robotaxis is the right long-term approach, allowing users to bypass intermediate autonomy stages and move closer to Level 4 functionality. He previously tested Tesla's FSD v12.3.6 and Waymo vehicles in California in mid-2024, noting at the time that Waymo performed better in dense urban environments like San Francisco, while Tesla excelled in Silicon Valley and on highways. Xpeng's ambitious autonomy roadmap and internal challenge. The Silicon Valley visit also served as a benchmark for Xpeng's own autonomy ambitions. He stated that Xpeng is looking to improve its VLA autonomous driving system to match the performance of Tesla's FSD v14.2 within China by August 30, 2026. Xpeng is poised to release its VLA 2.0 smart driving software next quarter, though he cautioned that the initial version will not be able to match FSD v14.2's capabilities, as noted in a CNEV post report. He also added a personal twist to the goal, publicly challenging Xpeng's autonomous driving team. If the performance target is met by the 2026 deadline, the CEO stated that he will approve the creation of a Chinese-style cafeteria for Xpeng's Silicon Valley team. If not, Lu Xianming, head of Xpeng's autonomous driving unit, has pledged to run naked across the Golden Gate Bridge, he noted. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.